Hello guys, when I'm driving the car and when I'm start from the place, when I put the car in the moving, I hear a strange noise, and obviously when the car is moving and I change gears for 2 seconds, I heard a sound from here somewhere, a strange noise, and I think the noise is coming from under the car. I want to jack the car and see from where the noise is coming. So the car is on jack. I put the safety from Balkan, and let's see from where the sound is coming. I think I saw from here. Look, what do you say about that? Look there. This is the sound. Okay, I have here the nut, key and the oil. Let's do this. Hey! So I put oil now. All of this. Just a sec. And the nut. Okay, let's see now. Nothing, it's strong. Best. Let's see if we have sound anymore. Nothing. It's like new. No more soon. Bye.